Hey there, science fans. Let's talk about the internet, that amazing thing you're using right now. It all started in the 1960s. Back then, computers were huge and expensive. Scientists wanted to find a way to share information between them faster. That's when ARPANET was born. It was like the internet's great-grandparent. ARPANET connected computers across the United States. It was a big deal. Then, in the 1990s, something amazing happened: the World Wide Web. Thanks to Tim Berners-Lee, we got websites, links, and the internet as we know it. It was like opening a door to a whole new world of information and connection. The internet has changed so much since then. It's faster, bigger, and more powerful than ever before. From sharing funny cat videos to connecting with people across the globe, the internet has become an essential part of our lives. And it all started with a wild idea: to connect computers and share information in a whole new way. Isn't that amazing? Now that we've traveled back in time, let's dive into how the internet actually works. You might be surprised to learn that the internet isn't some magical force floating in the air. It relies on a vast network of physical cables that crisscross our planet. These cables are like the internet's highways, carrying data back and forth at lightning speed. Many of these cables are buried underground, but did you know that we've even laid cables underwater? That's right. Massive undersea cables stretch across the ocean floor, connecting continents and allowing information to travel across the globe in the blink of an eye. These cables are incredibly important. They're designed to withstand harsh conditions and ensure that our data can travel safely and efficiently. Next time you send an email or watch a video online, remember the incredible infrastructure that makes it all possible. Now let's zoom in even closer and see how data travels through these cables. Imagine you're sending a package to a friend. You wouldn't send the entire thing in one giant chunk, right? That would be difficult to manage. Instead, you might break it down into smaller, more manageable boxes. That's kind of how the internet works. When you send information online, it's broken down into small pieces called packets. Each packet is like a mini package with a label that tells it where to go. These packets travel through the internet's network of cables, guided by special computers called routers. Routers act like traffic directors, making sure each packet takes the most efficient path to its destination. It's like a complex, super-fast postal service, but instead of letters and packages, it's all the amazing things we do online. Every device connected to the internet needs an address, so that other devices know where to send information. That's where IP addresses come in. An IP address is like your computer's unique phone number on the internet. But let's be honest, remembering a string of numbers like 192.168.1.1 isn't exactly easy. That's why we use domain names. A domain name is like a website's easy-to-remember nickname. Think of it this way: your IP address is like your home address, and your domain name is like the name of your house. When you type in a domain name like billney.com, a special phone book called the Domain Name System, DNS, looks up the corresponding IP address. It's like having a directory that translates between easy-to-remember names and the internet's numerical addresses. Section 5. Surfing the web, browsers, servers, and the client-server model. Now let's talk about how you actually access information on the internet. You do this using a web browser, which is like your trusty vehicle for navigating the World Wide Web. When you type a website address into your browser, you're sending a request to a web server. Think of a web server like a giant library that stores all the files and data that make up a website. The server then sends the requested information back to your browser, which displays it on your screen. This back-and-forth communication is called the client-server model. It's like ordering food at a restaurant. You're the client, the restaurant is the server, and the food is the information you requested. Your browser is like a waiter, taking your order to the kitchen and bringing your food back to your table. Pretty neat, right? Section 6. The cloud. Your data's home away from home. Have you ever heard of the cloud? It sounds mysterious, but it's actually pretty simple. The cloud is just a network of servers that store and process data remotely. Instead of storing everything on your own computer, you can use cloud services to keep your files, photos, and more accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Think of it like renting storage space at a secure facility. You can access your belongings whenever you need them, but you don't have to worry about maintaining the facility yourself. Cloud computing has revolutionized how we use the internet, making it easier than ever to store, share, and access information from any device, anywhere in the world. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some of the incredible things that the internet allows us to do. Section 7, the power of the internet. Connecting the world. The internet has transformed our world in countless ways. It's a powerful tool for communication, education, entertainment, and so much more. Thanks to the internet, we can connect with people all over the world instantly. We can share ideas, learn about different cultures, and even collaborate on projects with people we've never met in person. The internet has democratized access to information, making it easier than ever to learn new things, explore our interests, and stay informed about current events. From online courses to virtual museums, the internet has opened up a world of learning opportunities, making education more accessible and engaging than ever before. And of course, let's not forget about entertainment. The internet provides us with endless options for streaming movies, listening to music, playing games, and so much more. Section 8. The future of the internet. What's next? The internet is constantly evolving, and the future holds endless possibilities. One exciting area of development is the Internet of Things, or IoT, which refers to the growing network of everyday objects that are connected to the internet. Imagine a world where your refrigerator can order groceries for you, or your car can drive itself to work. These are just a few examples of the potential of the IoT to make our lives easier and more efficient. Another exciting area is virtual reality, VR and augmented reality, Arkansas. These technologies are blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, creating immersive experiences that were once only possible in science fiction. From exploring distant planets to trying on clothes virtually, VR and AR have the potential to revolutionize how we learn, work, and play. The future of the internet is full of exciting possibilities, and it's up to all of us to shape how these technologies are developed and used. Section 9. Staying safe in the digital age. Tips for responsible internet use. With all the amazing things the internet has to offer, it's important to remember that it's also important to stay safe online. Here are a few tips for being a responsible digital citizen. Think before you click. Be mindful of what you share online and who you share it with. Once something is posted online, it can be difficult to remove completely. Protect your privacy. Be cautious about sharing personal information online, such as your home address, phone number, or financial details. Be aware of strangers. Not everyone online is who they claim to be. Be wary of interacting with people you don't know in person. Be kind and respectful. Remember that there are real people behind those screens. Treat others online with the same kindness and respect you would show them in person. Use strong passwords. Protect your accounts by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. By using the internet responsibly and safely, we can all help create a more positive and productive online experience for everyone. Section 10. The internet and you shaping the digital landscape. The internet isn't just something we use, it's something we create together. Every time you share a post, create a website, or contribute to an online community, you're shaping the digital landscape. The internet has given a voice to those who were previously unheard, allowing people from all walks of life to share their stories, connect with others, and make a difference in the world. It's a powerful tool for social change, activism, and promoting understanding between cultures. By using our voices responsibly and engaging in constructive dialogue, we can help shape the internet into a force for good, fostering a more inclusive, informed, and interconnected world. Remember, the internet is what we make it. Section 11. Conclusion. The ever-evolving world of the internet. From its humble beginnings as a network for researchers to its current status as a global phenomenon, the internet has come a long way. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with one another. As we continue to explore the vast potential of the internet, it's crucial to remember the importance of using it responsibly, ethically, and for the betterment of humanity. So, the next time you send an email, watch a video online, or connect with a friend on social media, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology that makes it all possible. And who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, the journey is far from over, and the internet will continue to shape our world in ways we can only imagine. Keep on exploring, keep on learning, and keep on connecting. Stay curious, my friends.